Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna teach you how to change the color of the text in our console window. So if you're familiar with CMD, then you may know that there is a command called color which allows you to change the color. So you can give it a parameter as a hex value, so I'm going to type question mark or whatever you want to type which is not correct value, then it will display the help menu. So now here you can see that this, if we execute, then the color will be changed, but this changes the color of every single character visible on the console. So here are the values which we will use and are same, and these are the colors which the console supports. So you can use any combination of these colors. You can't customize the colors, but you can use combination from these colors. So let's get started. So over here we have our iostream and windows.h included and new.h included for get.ch, and I'm also using namespace std. And if you're in C, then you can include stdio.h, and you have to remove this statement. So first thing we need to do after including everything is type handle and name it anything you want. So I will name it HC and set it equal to get std handle, and in here we have to pass in std underscore output underscore handle. After that we can set the color of the console. So this will set the color of the text whatever is printed after calling that function. So if you print something before calling it, like cout hello and end line, or if you want it you can just use in same line, then we will call our magic function. So type set console text attribute, and in here we need to pass in our handle which is HC, and then we'll give a comma and we'll pass in our color. So you can pass in hexadecimal value which will be like 0x and FC for red and white background. So you can see FC produces light red on bright white background. So you can use any value from here, like if you type 07 that will be the default, and then if you type 9A then it will be light blue on light green. So first letter is the background and second is the foreground, and after that if you print something cout hi, and then let's add in some characters and then end line. So now if we compile and run this, the hi will be in color text. So yeah, over here I missed the semicolon. Make sure you add a semicolon in the end. Now we can run, and over here you can see that hello is being printed in black and white and has printed in white and red. So now we can press enter, and you can see that this text is also printed in that same color. But after resizing, yeah, this happens because it needs an update to mess everything up. To fix that, we need to reset the attribute. So let's copy this and paste this, and we'll use 07. And then cout will print something which displays on the console. So space doesn't display on the console, but this thing displays, this also displays, this also displays. So we'll use tick and then end line. So now we can run this, and you can see it has been resetted and it doesn't do that weird thing. So oops, yeah. But if you want to end the white background over here after the hi is finished, then you can remove end line from this and you can run it again. But if you want that thing to happen and it's not updating for you, I have made a method which will do that for you. I will paste that in description, and I will also add that in source code. so make sure you check that out if you want. Now if you want to use an integer, you can do that, but for integer the format is different. So here you can see that this is 0, then 1 and till f, but if you are using integer, then this will be 0 and 1, so on, and a will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we'll use light yellow as background and purple as foreground, so E and 5, so 14 and 5. So give a pair of parentheses in it, type 14 and then multiply it with 16 and then add pi to it for the purple, and you can change this to whatever background you would like and this to whatever foreground you would like. So you can run this now. Now you can see that the changes have been applied. You can end the process and quit this. Now I will show you every single color that this console can produce. So we'll just remove this hello and make a for loop for int I equals 0, and if you are in C, the integer I must be declared outside this for. So I equals 0 and then semicolon, then I is smaller than 256, then I plus plus, that I should be small, and then we will add in our things. So just move them. Yeah, so we'll replace this formula with I, and this will stay as it is, and this should print every single color. Will also print I's value, so I, and then over here we will add space. Yeah, now we can compile this and run this, and you can see that this works fine and it's great looking, and it also doesn't do that thing where it colors everything. So I will just very quickly show you what happens if you add space over here. You can see that it is looking normal, but after you resize this, yeah, that is gonna happen. So if you want that to happen, I have written a function for it which will run with your C++ code to make sure to automatically resize this as soon as the thing starts. So you have to call it after everything is finished painting. So this is called as painting, and you can also make it look like that it was the part of the thing. So add a dash over there, and we'll run this, and you can see resizing doesn't do anything. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys, and hope you have enjoyed coloring your console. And if you want to continue watching my videos, then make sure you click the video that's showing up right now, and also make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and bye bye.